Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today on this video you will be seeing I recreated 4 outfits out of things that my daughter is no longer using. Hope you like it. Okay, so for look number 1 is her denim jacket. I just cut the arms off and I added 3 French lines in the back of her jacket. Small, medium, and large. And to do so, you just take the scissors, cut it, get a needle, pull out the thread, and just fray it up a little bit by rubbing it together with friction. And that's all I did for this look. Okay, so for the second look, I had added 2 splits in the back, and I cut the arms off, um, cut the collar off that made it look like as if it was still a shirt, added detail as in like the little boho look with 2 beads on each side, and I made this used to be shirt into a cardigan or a vest shirt basically to give it a different look.